Hello everyone, welcome to another really quick tutorial video. Now in this video, I will show you how to use Bearly.ai to summarize your articles. Now as you can see, Bearly.ai is basically completely free. It also has a no credit card required right here. As you can see, you can download this for Windows, and what this app will do is this app can also be downloaded on mobile, iOS and Android, as well as have a Chrome extension. So as you can see right here, what you can do is you can pretty much have deep summaries, so you can summarize your articles with Bearly.ai. You can also generate images with Bearly.ai as well. You have chat and personas, which is great if you want something similar to ChatGPT. You have grammar correction. If you want to correct your grammar, you can do that. You also have writing tools and copy and blog generator as well. Now all you have to do is just go here and download Bearly.ai. After you download your Bearly.ai, what you can do is you can go here and you can right click on the website, for example, and it will give you the summary of that website. Now as you can see, it also has community right here. You can see all the community from Bearly.ai. Now if you want to download this as a Chrome extension, you will need to go to Google here, and from Google just type in Bearly.ai Chrome, and then go here and go to Bearly.ai. And then here, what you can do is you can add this to Chrome. So let's add this to Chrome here. We can add this to Chrome as well. And we can, right now it's here. So if we go to one of the websites, for example, let's go to one of the websites here. And basically what you can do is you can turn on the Bearly.ai. So for example, let's go and pin it here. Let's go on Bearly.ai. And as you can see, we can create executive summary from this website. Click executive summary. As you can see, it's analyzing the page, and it will give us the summary based on that page. Now, obviously, you will need to log in order to go and in order to access Bearly.ai. So make sure to go and create an account on Bearly.ai as well. But this is pretty much how it works, right? It's very simple. It's very easy to use. Obviously, if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching.